Whether you're preparing students for high school exit exams or supporting their success on college entrance exams, IXL's test prep skill plans can help. In this video, we will be discussing how to use IXL to successfully prepare for the SAT or ACT. Imagine you are working on preparing students for the ACT math exam. First, select the ACT math skill plan and pin it to ensure that it's easily accessible for them. IXL's ACT skill plan unpacks each test topic into targeted skills that help build student understanding and confidence. Select the target score range that you want your class to aim for, and see the exact IXL skills that perfectly match each content area for that range. Second, set realistic goals for your students. Within each content area, identify skills that you'd like your students to review. Remember, you can assign skills through your learning management system or by clicking the star next to the skill. Encourage your students to strive for a SMART score of 80, proficiency, on the IXL skills you've assigned. Remember that each skill is adaptive and will guide students from simpler tasks to more complex problems. Finally, check for understanding with the score grid and trouble spots reports. Use the score grid report to check for assignment completion. Students who have reached at least a SMART score of 80 are proficient in the skill, while students below an 80 may need additional assistance. And don't forget to check out your trouble spots report for instant insights on students who might be struggling with the topic. Use the groupings provided to form small groups for reteaching, and watch students' confidence grow as they begin to grasp the material. IXL also offers personalized study plans for the ACT and SAT. Students enter their score from a previous or practice test, and IXL creates a personalized study plan that guides each student to the specific concepts they need to review to boost their scores. These plans are a great way to help each student reach their test score goals. IXL's SAT and ACT prep skill plans do the organizing for you, so you can focus on making sure students understand key concepts and foundational material. Want more strategies like these? Visit IXL's teacher resources page at ixl.com/resources.